How to see your email address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Mail and tap on it. You are now in the Mail settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, customize how your mail appears and works and more. Go to Mail Accounts. Here, tap on iCloud in the Account section. And then, go to the Account Information section. As you can see, you can view your default email address over here. You can also view and manage other iCloud mail settings below. Following these steps, you can easily see your email address on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.